Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use voice typing in Google Doc online. Sometimes you are attending some conference meeting and you are writing some notes. So that point of view, you just enable this particular option and you focus on the meeting or class, and then the Google Doc are automatically write your note. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply, first of all, I will show you how to open Doc. First of all, enter your Gmail, 9 dots, and here Doc option are available. So here, open here one of the Doc page, and now here, type here without typing. Recognize my voice and my Google Doc are automatically type here. Several menu is available. You just simply click here tool menu, and here voice typing options are available. You open here Windows Shift plus S key also. So simply click here, and now look at this. Here you can type any of languages, which language you are comfortable. So first of all, we go with as English, and now just I click here, and welcome to Research Rocks. Hope you like this video and you understand what I am explaining about the Google Doc voice recognition system. So look at this. This is a clarity of recognition of this voice recording in Google Doc, and that one is quite amazing. You can say anything. The Google recognition system is perfectly fine for the recognition point of view. So you can use whatever next pages you can searching, and then recognition system is going on automatically. Now I am typing here something and my systems are automatically recognized here. So it's very simple. Now here change the language. So suppose for example I select here one of my language like Hindi, recognition rate on Hindi. Welcome to Research Rocks. आज मैं वीडियो में बताने वाला हूँ आपको कि वॉइस गूगल डॉक वॉइस रिकग्निशन किस तरह से होती है और वो रिकॉर्डिंग हम किस तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हैं। यदि हम YouTube वीडियो बनाते हैं तो यहाँ पर हम वॉइस को टेक्स्ट में कन्वर्ट करके हमारे YouTube वीडियो के ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में ऐड कर सकते हैं। ये बहुत ही बढ़िया फीचर है और आप सब इसका यूज़ कीजिए। तो लुक एट दिस इज़ अमेजिंग टूल अवेलेबल ऑन गूगल डॉक, एंड यू कैन यूज़ दिस गूगल डॉक फीचर्स and convert your voice to text of any languages. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.